अग्ने जरस्व स्वपत्य आयुन्यूरजा तिन्वस्व समिषो विधिनः.
God had given me everything which a man wishes for. Prestige, money, good family, health. I was president of a number of companies and industries.
Dieu m'avait donné tout ce qu'un homme peut souhaiter. Prestige, argent, bonne famille, bonne santé. J'étais président de nombreuses sociétés et industries. Mais pourtant, je me sentais insatisfait. Quelque chose me manquait, un but dans la vie. Quand j'ai lu le livre d'Aurobindo, La synthèse du yoga, il m'a ouvert les yeux non seulement sur des problèmes dont j'avais conscience, mais aussi sur beaucoup d'autres auxquels je n'avais jamais pensé. Et ce livre m'a donné des réponses si complètes qu'aucune question n'est restée. Il ne m'a pas fallu plus d'1 minute pour venir ici et me dévouer à l'idéal le plus élevé et le plus intégral que l'on puisse trouver aujourd'hui.
And the highest as far as we can see today.
And 24th of April was also chosen for the declaration of the inauguration of the Sri Aurobindo International University Centre. Eminent personalities were informed of this, and that erstwhile eminent leader of Bengal, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, presided over the function. The mother addressed all those present.
Sri Aurobindo is present in our midst, and with all the power of his creative genius, he presides over the formation of this university center, which for years he considered as one of the best means of preparing the future humanity to receive the supramental life that will transform the elite of today into a new race, manifesting upon earth the new light and force and light. In his name, I open today this convention meeting here with the purpose of realizing one of his most cherished ideas.
1 year after the convention, the mother declared open the International Centre, thereby laying the foundations, as it were, today, of the International Cultural Centre of tomorrow.
Vidyate hridaya granthischidhyante sarva sanshayah shiyante chasya karamani tasmin drishte paravare brahmai vedamamritam purastha brahmai vedamamritam purastha Brahma pascha, Brahma dakshinataschottarena, अधश्चोरधं च प्रसिद्धं ब्रह्मैवेदं विश्वमिदं वरिष्ठम् द्वासुपर्णा सयोजा सखाय समानं वृक्षं परिशस्व जाते तयोरन्यः पिप्पलं स्वादत्य नस्नन्यो अभिजाकशीति समाने वृक्षे पुरुषो निमग्नो हनीषया शोचति मुह्यमानः जुष्टं यदा पश्यति अन्यमेषवस्य महिमानमिति वीतशोकः सत्यमेव जयते नामृतम् सत्यमेव जयते नामृतम् सत्येन पन्था विदतो देवयानः येनाक्रमन्ति ऋषयो यक्तकामा यत्र तं सत्यस्य परमं निधानम् ॐ माया हि वरदे देवी सर्वार्थसाधिके ॐ माया हि वरदे देवी द्वाक्षरे ब्रह्मवादिनी ॐ माया हि वरदे मीरा हृदये परमेश्वरी
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्म हविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मेवतेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना एतत् सर्वं ॐ ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु ॐ ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु।
Yes, Auroville is open to all. Everyone who is seeking better life, everyone who wants to work for world unity.
Auroville est ouvert à tous ceux qui cherchent une meilleure vie, tous ceux qui veulent travailler à l'unité du monde, quelle que soit leur race, leur religion, leur nationalité ou leur caste. Tout le monde à Auroville aura ce qu'il lui faut sans avoir besoin de gagner sa vie. Chacun choisira le travail qui lui plaît. Oui, ce sera très cher à construire, mais je suis sûr que nous trouverons l'argent. Je suis moi-même un homme de finance.
But I'm sure finance will come. As I told you, I'm myself a man of finance. Naturally, the people who are applying to stay in Auroville or to work for Auroville are of different temperaments and represent a large variety of consciousness. Some see clearly in Auroville an opportunity to perfect their special vocation. Some are applying because they see in Auroville an opportunity to work for human unity, working out a new way of life. Some are applying because Auroville answers to their spirit of adventure, spirit of finding something new, a field of expressing something new. A day will come when the human body may itself undergo a transformation.
Nous croyons à l'évolution. Un jour viendra où le corps humain subira une transformation.
Through all kinds of laws.
Au-delà des limites de la raison, l'homme nouveau atteindra par une illumination intérieure un état de supraconnaissance qui le libérera et libérera l'humanité entière.
How can humanity become one?
By becoming conscious of its origin.
What is the way of making the consciousness of human unity grow in man?
Spiritual education. That is to say, an education which gives more importance to the growth of the spirit than to any religious or moral teaching or to the material so-called knowledge.
What is a change of consciousness?
A change of consciousness is equivalent to a new birth, a birth in a higher sphere of existence.
How can a change of consciousness change the life upon earth?
A change in human consciousness will make possible the manifestation upon earth of a higher force, a purer light, a more total truth.
भूतस्त्वयाहं तथागतोऽस्मि प्रेमामृतावधौ विनिमज्य बोधय अन्तरमम त्वां प्रतितत्त्वमीश तनोषि लीलायः मातुतायः